Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru Crosstrek vs Ford Escape full comparison. Watch closely as I guide you through handling, comfort, fuel economy, and safety features to help you decide. I'll cover ride quality, cargo space, and technology differences in clear terms. Expect honest pros and cons, realistic ownership costs, and who each vehicle suits best. Stay with me for quick tips on test drives and features to prioritize when comparing these two compact crossovers. Both vehicles approach performance with different priorities, so let me explain how that affects your daily driving. The Crosstrek emphasizes confidence on gravel, snow, and uneven roads thanks to higher ground clearance and AWD. The Escape delivers smoother highway manners and quieter cabin with available softer suspension and optional hybrid powertrains. I'll compare acceleration, braking feel, and steering feedback so you know which model matches your driving style and terrain needs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more comparisons. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun, cheap upgrade for any crossover. Check the description to find the link and other deals I mentioned so you can shop easily. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Comfort and practicality shape daily satisfaction, so I'll walk you through seating, cargo, and cabin ergonomics in plain terms. The Escape tends to provide more passenger room and larger cargo area, while the Crosstrek prioritizes rugged versatility and higher seating position. I'll compare technology packages, storage solutions, and practical details like roof rails and towing capacity. By the end, you'll know which cabin fits your family, gear, and commute better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.